Hey, what is up everybody? So today we are on the roof and it is hot. It's like 90 degrees, but this has got to get done. We got rain coming, so I'm gonna try to get this knocked out before the rain hits. See if we can't get this sealed up good enough that it doesn't leak. First thing we gotta do is get this air conditioner cover off. So we can clean up around it. I'll probably clean this off too while it's down there and get it looking nice before I put it back on. So I've already swept just a little bit. I got a bucket of soapy water. We're gonna give this a good wash down with just some Dawn dish soap. It should be good enough to clean it up for what we need to do. I know a lot of guys wipe it all down with alcohol and everything else, but we're not gonna do that. Alright boys and girls, we're going to show you some of the trouble areas. So you see here, look at this cracking around here. That's the vent for in the bathroom. And actually this one here by the shower, I was thinking possibly was a leaking point. All that caulking for the most part visually looks good. But this one here for the vent there in the shower, you can see all those cracks there. It's like that all the way around. We got a solution for that though. A lot of cracking on that as well. We do have a small hole here, but that's a high spot, so I wouldn't think that would leak very bad. So we're gonna wrap all this too around that vent. I do know if you come up here, you can see they've been putting a ton of caulking up here. It is cracked going down here though. We'll replace that on another day. We do have a small hole here, so we'll address that. Lots of cracking along here on the edge. This is where those two seams meet, but then if you get right here, you guys see that? Look at the size of that hole. So, you know, we got some problems, but we'll get all that wrapped up. I got that tape for this, so we're gonna put tape over this and then cover it with a coating. Well, if that isn't a Super Clean commercial, I don't know what is. Check out our Super Clean. They sent this to us. The cool thing is, I know a lot of people did it, and that's all great. We're not sponsored by any means. But if you go back several videos ago on our $1,000 pickup truck makeover, we actually used Super Clean to clean the carpet. Anyway, check this out. Shoot, that did a better job than the Dawn dish soap. Alright, I want you guys to see this real time. Again, we're just using Super Clean, but check that out. Isn't that crazy? First off, that's disgusting, but look how good that works. Again, not a paid plug, but holy cow, just impressed. That's gonna let a lot of light in that bathroom. See how it does on this over here. This had mold and everything else on it. Oh yeah. Huge difference, guys. Let's wipe off. I like Super Clean. Been using it for years, but I never got a chance to do it like on anything like this, and it just impresses me even more. I've cleaned carpets and dashes and engines and everything else with it, but first time doing something like this. Just put that on the list of stuff it can do. There you go, Super Clean. You guys are now officially RV roof cleaners. See if we can get a shot of this too. Man, what a difference. Oh, the wife's gonna be impressed with that. She loves her Super Clean as well. She gets another one from the, oh, Totally Awesome. Totally Awesome is a, or no, it's just, maybe it's just Awesome. I don't know. It's from the dollar store though. That's another one she really likes. So anyway, the wife's inside hiding from the heat. We had a long day, and I mean, we both work in factories and stuff, and it's hot for me too. I weld, but she's on a fork truck all day. And I don't know if you guys know this about fork trucks or not, but they put out a lot of heat right out the back of them, okay? And then, if you've ever been inside of a semi-trailer in the middle of the day in the heat, it's downright hot. And then sitting on top of a fork truck on that, and then backing up with all your exhaust from the fork truck and the heat from the radiator and that blowing back up onto you, it's pretty hot on her. And she does that 10 hours a day. So it's pretty brutal. I don't blame her for hanging out in there. Plus she don't like being on roofs. So this is my deal. Getting on the roofs, cleaning up vomit, whether it be kids or adult, dog, whatever, anything like that, that's my job. Really nasty diapers, that's my job. I get all the fun jobs. But she's in there making me supper right now, so I'm not gonna complain too much, right? We all have our part, and I'm getting hungry, so that'll work out. Anyway, let's get you back on time lapse and we'll get this done, because I'm just gonna sit here and keep yakking and yakking, and that ain't what you guys want to hear, right? All right, so this is what we're using. It's tight seal flashing tape. It's a 4-inch. It's 33 feet long. I'll have to double check on the price for you, but it was like 10 something, I do believe. You guys see that? I hope so. Okay, the only downside, is that stuff shiny. It ain't have any of the white. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is go back to this bracket. rub it in there, get in all the grooves. All right, so as you can see there, we went right to the edge, and then that way the water that does run over runs right into the drip rail here, and it'll run away. So that gets us past anything that's going to leak. Okay, and then we wrapped it up around, obviously, and you just want to really, it sticks really good, so you want to really push it into them grooves. Make sure you got it nice and stuck. It's flexible. It'll go into them grooves. You just really want to work it in there and make sure you got it nice and stuck. Then what we're going to do is do the same thing on the other side, and then we're going to run 2 strips over this problem area here, so we guarantee that's not going to leak. So I'm really curious if you guys think this is going to leak or not. Comment, let me know on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being it's not going to leak, 10 being it's definitely going to leak, what you think. I'd like to know your opinion, and then we'll come back up here after it rains and do the rubber coating on it. All right, so if you guys can see this here, here's a big problem too. Guaranteed we had some old leaky leak here. So what I'm going to do here, I don't give a crap about this being pretty, is we're going to wrap this around and get this section right here first before we come over and do this section here. All right, boys and girls, gotta clean up my mess. Other than that, got all these sealed here. Got those sealed up. Got both of these sealed up. We got that antenna sealed up. Shoot, I'm gonna do that real quick, but I'm gonna do that off camera. You guys don't need to see me do another one, right? And then that big massive thing. Really curious to see if this will hold up and stop the leak. But again, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you in the next one.